In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make quick money in one day online. And by quick money, it's gonna be big money.
I'm gonna show you how to make some freaking money. This is an easy trick to make $100 a day. A lot of opportunity for you. This is a hot money-making method. Easy way to make up to $500 commissions. And I'm gonna be showing you in this lesson how to start a business with no money.
Okay, so here are some of the excuses that I hear for people not succeeding, okay? Costing no money, requiring you to have no website, no domain.
How to make $100 a day. You can do this even if you have no experience, no tech skills, don't even have a computer, or if you're not even 18 years old. You don't even have to pay. No startup capital that you can do anywhere in the world. Take yourself to the next level. I make almost $1 million a month in my business, 6 figures a month profit. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this. I look forward to seeing your success. Guys, get pumped. You have to take action. If you like this video, hit a big fat like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell if you want to be aware of future videos.